Do you need this similar smart money reversal indicator? The indicator basically can show the reversal of trend clearly as using this indicator. When red candlestick turns into green candlestick, it shows the beginning of reversal bullish chart pattern. You can start to plan for your buy or long position based on this. While when the end of green candlestick turns into red candlestick, basically it show reversal bearish candlestick chart pattern and you can plan your exit or short position. In this video, I will teach you step by step how to optimize these indicator best setting. Generate out the chart indicator color similar with my settings. Make sure that you watch to the end to get the most optimized setting for the indicator and does not miss out any plan. So, in this video, we will first show the how to set the indicator setting to suit with different time frame, 1-minute scalping strategy, 5-minute scalping strategy, 15-minute scalping strategy and others. Next, we will define the indicator and function in this video. Basically we will define it and use it indicator definition to plan for our trade based on our trading strategy. Lastly, we will try out and stimulate the trading using this indicator. We will investigate the risk and reward of this trading strategy and try to optimize the setting to suit for our trading plan. So basically make sure you watch each part of this video so that you won't miss out any of it, as this indicator is suitable to detect any short-term or long-term reversal. So let's start. First of all, open up the indicator in the Indicator tab. Search for Extreme Trend by Catchstocks after you have opened up the indicator. In TradingView, change the candlestick pattern to hiking ash. This will change the candlestick to be more obvious to indicate out the trend for candlestick chart pattern in TradingView. Next, you need to change the setting of the Extreme Trend indicator. Basically, we need to optimize the color of the trend. Go to Extreme Trend Indicator Settings, open up the Setting tab. Next, change the color out the indicator. For the trend line, yellow color need to be changed to red color as it indicate bearish momentum. While for blue color need to be changed to green color to indicate bullish momentum. You also can adjust the size of the trend line, but I prefer to remain the thickness as shown. Next, you also need to change the shape of the triangle reversal signal indicator. Change the blue to green to indicates bullish triangle signal, while orange to red to indicates out bullish triangle signal. After that you are done with the indicator. As you can see now in the chart, when green signal are found and the chart basically break through the red bearish trend line, it will form a reversal bullish momentum signal. In this scenario, it will form a uptrend momentum. At this area you can basically plan for you buy or long position. In vice versa, when the bullish chart break through the green bullish trend line, basically it will occur reversal signal and also confirmed by the triangle bearish signal. In this scenario, we can start to take profit, cut loss, or even plan for a short position to tackle this trading position. For example, we will study. First, the hike in candlestick show reversal in candlestick color from green to reversal. Next indicator from the trend line shows the chart break through the bullish green trend line. Means that the trend line could not support the bullish momentum. And third confirmation indicator shows a triangle confirmation signal of reversal from bullish into bearish. In this scenario, we can plan for a short post-ion trade. The position of trade will be at the second signal of breaking the trend line. Open up risk-reward ratio for a short position. For the take profit at stop-loss position for a short position. We will refer out our previous intermediate support and resistance to plan for our take profit and stop-loss region. Besides, we also need to ensure the risk-reward projection is more than 1 so that we can have a reward bias trade when using this trading indicator. After that, we also need to backtest the strategy to suit for our trading style. While for uptrend bullish reversal, It is also the same when the hiking ashy candlestick turns from red to green. Next, the chart managed to break the red bullish trend line to show a bullish reversal momentum. And also the next triangle indicator shows a confirmation of reversal indicator. Basically at this scenario, we can start to plan for our reversal bullish trading position. The trading position need to have a suitable cutlass and take profit point based on previous chart intermediate support and resistance. And also, the risk-reward ratio must be definitely more than 1 to ensure a reward bias trade. Basically, this is how we can plan to trade reversal trade position based on this trading indicator strategy. We need to focus on 3 reversal indicates out. First, hiking ash reversal candlestick from red to green or green to red. Second, breakage out trend line from the chart pattern. Lastly, triangle bullish or bearish triangle signal shows the trend confirmation. Make sure that you backtest this trading strategy to suit for your own trading plan. Besides, if you want to add additional indicator to support for this trading strategy, you can open up volume profile indicator to support on this, as volume profile can act as a reference for intermediate support and resistance to plan for your risk-reward projection. Go to the indicator tab, search for volume profile fixed range. You can open up the indicator. And also, go to the setting column of the volume profile. You need to adjust the setting of the volume profile to increase the sensitivity of the chart based on your trading time frame. You can reduce the number of bar from 150 bar to a lower value around 20 to 30 depends on your time frame. After you have reduced the settings of the bar, it will show a more nearest volume profile. Basically, you can optimize the volume profile indicator to suit for your trading strategy and time frame. You can get information such as support resistance from volume profile to plan for your trading strategy. It can act as a reference to plan for take profit and stop loss region, as high volume profile show the higher accumulation of chip at the region. This will form strong support and resistance as the thicker the volume profile is. And also, make sure that your risk-reward projection drawing must refer to volume profit support and resistance, so that you can have a more confident and profitable trading using this trading strategy and indicator for trade. If you want to learn more indicator, you can check the following video.